Welcome to the ultimate hidden sanctuary, an absolute billionaire fortress carved directly into the living cliffs. Look at the sheer impossible scale of this massive masterpiece, blending seamlessly into the raw rock.
Step into this breathtaking foyer, where raw granite meets pure luxury in the most incredible entrance ever. This isn't just a hallway, it is a stunning organic tunnel leading you deeper into ultimate cavernous opulence.
Witness the sheer scale of this primary lounge, featuring double-height rock ceilings and absolute
Host the world's most exclusive dinners in this formal space, where raw nature and elite sophistication meet perfectly. Close billion-dollar deals from this insane home office, a true sanctuary for the world's most powerful visionary leaders. This VIP guest suite is pure five-star luxury, featuring incredible organic textures and a deeply calming atmosphere.
This ensuite is a private spa paradise, featuring a massive stone tub and a truly breathtaking cavernous aesthetic. Check out this insane floating staircase, an architectural marvel that defies gravity while staying grounded in solid rock.
Experience movies like never before in this immersive cinema room, carved directly into the heart of the cliff.
Work out in the world's most elite home gym, featuring top-tier equipment and insane views of the lush landscape.
This massive walk-in closet is a fashion sanctuary, offering unlimited space for your entire haute couture collection.
Behold this insane climate-controlled wine vault, a masterpiece of engineering storing the world's most rare vintages.
Entertainment reaches a whole new level in this colossal hall, featuring a custom billiards table and stunning design.
Walk across the sky in your own home with this stunning glass walkway over a tranquil koi pond. Even your car collection lives in total luxury in this high-tech subterranean garage gallery of pure speed. Escape to total relaxation in this Moroccan-inspired spa, a true sanctuary for the soul hidden deep within. Ascend in style through the heart of the mountain in this breathtaking transparent glass and copper elevator.
Look at this insane home library, with floor-to-ceiling shelves carved right into the solid granite wall.
Step into this incredible steam room, where ancient stone meets modern wellness for the ultimate relaxation experience.
This enclosed pool lounge is absolutely legendary, featuring a massive carved rock ceiling and pure turquoise water.
Savor the world's finest vintages in this elite tasting lounge, featuring insane rock textures and pure luxury.
The acoustics in this carved performance lounge are unreal, featuring a stunning white piano and copper-lined walls.
Breathe in the freshness of this indoor botanical Zen garden, where nature thrives inside a billionaire fortress. Sharpen your game in this high-tech golf simulator room, featuring pro-level technology and insane cliffside luxury design. Start your mornings at this professional coffee bar, serving the world's best espresso in a stunning sanctuary. Relax by the warmth of this incredible fire lounge, featuring a custom copper pit and cozy atmosphere. Witness the sheer verticality of this estate from the upper floor overlook, showcasing incredible architectural scale and power. Experience absolute acoustic perfection in this audiophile listening room, specifically engineered within the sound-dampening ancient granite walls. Find your inner peace in this serene meditation room, featuring soft ivory mats and calming rock textures. Indulge in world-class treatments in this private massage suite, a true hidden sanctuary for total body rejuvenation. Relax in total privacy in this secluded sitting lounge, featuring cozy ivory chairs tucked into a granite alcove. Behind the scenes, this hidden prep kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring professional-grade appliances and massive prep space. Stay perfectly organized in this stunning butler's pantry, featuring bespoke copper shelving and incredible storage for your collection.
Even chores feel elite in this luxury laundry room, featuring top-tier appliances and
Provide your team with 5-star comfort in these high-end staff quarters, maintaining the villa's incredible design standard throughout. This upstairs family lounge is the ultimate cozy retreat, featuring plush ivory sofas and spectacular views of the estate. Enter from the cliffside into this elegant mudroom, featuring custom copper hooks and beautiful ivory marble bench seating. Every guest experiences pure billionaire luxury in this second bedroom suite, featuring incredible organic textures and glowing copper. Even the kids live in absolute style in this custom bedroom suite, featuring organic rock carvings and fun copper details. This haute couture closet is a fashion lover's dream, featuring museum-grade lighting and stunning copper-trimmed display cases. Even the guest bathrooms are masterpieces, featuring floating ivory marble vanities and signature polished copper hardware.
this powder room is absolute jewelry for the home, featuring a stunning sculptural copper pedestal and moody rock aesthetics.
Efficiency meets elite design in this service kitchen extension, featuring massive prep space and high-end copper appliances. Find your focus in this peaceful reading lounge, where natural sunlight filters through beautiful carved rock skylights. This indoor atrium is a lush paradise, featuring rare tropical plants thriving. Escape to this hidden interior courtyard, a serene open-air sanctuary carved directly into the mountain's ancient stone heart. Relax in this incredible skylit terrace lounge, where natural light cascades down rugged rock for a dreamy atmosphere. This walkout lounge offers unparalleled luxury, blending cozy indoor comfort with breathtaking views of the lush tropical valley. Even the utility spaces are high-end, featuring custom copper shelving and ivory marble floors within the rock walls. This service corridor is a masterclass in design, featuring hidden lighting that accentuates every unique organic rock formation. Descend this secondary staircase into the depths of luxury, featuring floating ivory treads and glowing copper handrails throughout. Monitor your massive estate from this high-tech security room, featuring state-of-the-art tech integrated into solid granite walls. Relax poolside in absolute billionaire style, featuring pristine ivory lounges and breathtaking cavernous rock wall backdrops. Experience the magic of this estate at night, where hidden copper lighting creates a dreamy, golden, cavernous glow. This warm, ambient corridor shot shows the incredible depth and mystery of this billion-dollar billionaire cave retreat. We end our tour in the Horizon Lounge, where the lines between mountain and luxury disappear into pure tranquility.